Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Sphere News Network. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. Chaudhry Parvez Elahi said this is not the time to overthrow the government. The car of democracy and parliament must continue to run. This is a time to give relief to the people and it is our goal. Advisor to the Punjab Minister Firdaus Ashiq Khan said that the resignations are frozen and the princess is walking down the streets for an RO. The Election Commission has called for a report on holding local body elections in Punjab in 15 days. The deficit of the railways has increased from 35 billion to 46 billion rupees. The number of pensioners has been increased. The number of salaried persons. PDM rejected the demand for talks with the government. PMLN Ehsan Iqbal said withdrawing from the Senate elections will strengthen the government grip. 6 people died due to gas leakage in Mansehra. A grenade was found while children were playing in Peshawar, killing 2 children. Balochistan minister has appealed to the Hazara protesters to bury their beloved dead bodies. Now, some news and disasters of coronaviruses. In China, gatherings are banned. In England, lockdown is expected to go down by February. In Japan, appeal to impose sanctions in view of the growing situation of coronavirus. 52 more patients died with corona in Pakistan. Pakistan cricket team defeat against New Zealand. They lost by 176 runs. Severe cold and snowfall continues in northern areas.